It's Tuesday, July 23 at exactly 10:30 p.m. local time here in Asmara. You're watching ERi-TV English news broadcast, and these are the major headlines for today. Eritrean Community Festival in the United Kingdom. Meeting on implementation of development programs in Massawa. Israel sends tanks back into Khan Yunis area. And German exports to 9 EU countries down to 2.6% in June. On your domestic reports, Eritrean Community Festival was conducted with patriotic zeal on 20 and 21 July in London under the theme Peace Anchored on Resilience. The festival was officially opened by Mr. Saleh Abdullah, charge d'affaires at the Eritrean Embassy in the UK and Northern Ireland. The festival was attended by a number of nationals from the UK cities of London, Newcastle, Leeds, Sheffield, Nottingham, Leicester, Coventry, Birmingham, Wakefield and other cities. Noting on the significance of the festival in consolidating unity of nationals and nurturing youth that adhere to the noble societal values, Mr. Saleh said that the festival makes it special, for it has coincided with the joyful event of Binyam Girmay winning the green jersey at the Tour de France 2024. He also congratulated Binyam Girmay and the Eritrean people. Mr. Tawalda Yohannes, head of the Public and Community Affairs, conducted seminar to participants of the festival focusing on the objective situation in the homeland in terms of regional and global developments. Mr. Tawalda said that the development of friendly relations and cooperation in international relations was the result of the steadfastness and resilience of the people and government of Eritrea, and called for strengthening participation for better results. At the event, certificates of recognition was handed out to over 60 youth, outstanding students in their educational career, and to those that attended the history and political training. The festival featured cultural and artistic programs by Eritrean artists residing in the United Kingdom. A meeting on implementation of the set-out development programs was conducted in Massawa subzone. At the meeting, a report on the implementation of the first half of this year was presented. According to the report, water reservoir with the capacity of holding 15,000 meter cube of water have been put in place, and 40 kilometers of water pipes have been installed from Dogali to Forto. The participants also discussed on water and soil conservation and environmental activities, as well as on the sports development in the subzone. Speaking at the occasion, Mr. Haile Asfaha, administrator of the subzone, called for strengthened public participation and the implementation of the development programs. On your last local report, at the students' summer work program in the Northern Red Sea region that is being conducted for the 26th time from 15 centers, commendable activities are being conducted. At the program that will be conducted for 40 days in all the subzones of the region, 1,406 students, guided by teacher coordinators and agricultural experts, are engaged in the construction and renovation of terraces and water diversion schemes, cultivation of trees and planting tree seedlings, as well as environmental sanitation activities at seashores. The participating students, indicating that they fully understand the objective of the program, expressed conviction to strengthen participation for the realization of the objective of the program. Dear viewers, do stay tuned for your international reports and more after the short break. Welcome back. Israel sent tanks back into the greater Khan Yunis area after ordering evacuation of some districts that, according to it, had been used for renewed attacks by militants. and at least 70 Palestinians were killed by Israeli fire, Gaza medics said on Monday. According to Gaza medics, the Palestinians were killed by tank salvos in the town of Bani Sohail and other towns fringing the eastern side of Khan Yunis, with the area also bombarded from the air. Residents of the densely built-up area of the southern Gaza said that tanks advanced for more than 2 kilometers into Bani Sohail, forcing residents to flee under fire. The Gaza Health Ministry said that that included several women and children, and that at least 200 other people had been wounded. The Gaza Ministry does not distinguish between militants and civilians in its death tallies. On today's final report, German exports to countries outside the European Union continued to fall in June, declining by 2.6% month-on-month to 58 billion euros. This is according to the country's Federal Statistical Office on Monday. Compared with a year ago, the decrease in June reached 4.5%. Exports to Germany's most important trading partners, including the United States and China, recorded sharp declines of 6.2% and 9.9% year-on-year, respectively. These figures reflect a recent survey among businesses conducted by the IFO Institute of Economic Research, which indicated that sentiment in the German export industry deteriorated slightly in June, with expectations turning negative once again. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now recap of the major headlines. Eritrean Community Festival in the United Kingdom. Meeting on implementation of development programs in Massawa. Israel sends tanks back into Khan Yunis area. And the German exports to non-EU countries down to 2.6% in June. Dear viewers, thanks for watching, and until next time, have a good one.